let's talk about groups. Let's click on it. So guys, as you can see here, we just have a few groups created here, and why we use basically groups and why we use groups basically I'll tell you. So guys, there could be a situation where we have hundreds of people and you don't want to select all of them one by one, every time you are sending any email communication to them. So what you can do is you can just create a group and you can ask your IT administrator to keep all the 100 members in that particular group. And once you are once the group is created, this group can be used for further communication. If you want to create a new group, you can just click on create group button here, and here you can put in the name. And so I'll just fill in test group 3. I want to put in any description here. If you want, you can just go ahead and fill in any description you want, and you can choose the email address for this group that you want to be. So I'll just make it this group 3, and honor I'll assign it to admin. Admin is the owner of this group, so I'll just assign it, and I'll say next. Here are the options you can play around. So one important thing I would just like to tell you guys that here you have option allow members outside your organization. Here you can select who can join the group. Anyone in the organization can ask, anyone in the organization can join, or only invited users. So only invited users means if you add those particular user, then only they will be able to accept the group addition. They will be able to accept the request and they can be part of this group. But if you want people to kind of be joining this group basis on this condition, anyone in the organization can ask, then you can select it. If you want anyone in the organization can join straight away without asking for permission, you can just go ahead and select this option. So I'll just leave it, anyone in the organization can ask. I don't want to people coming in and joining in straight away without my permission. So I'll just leave it as it is, and I'll just click on create group. And here we are, the group is created. Now you have options to add members in the group. You can see details of the group, you can create another group, or you can click on done button and go. So right after creating the group, the first thing we should do is we should add the members. Here admin is the owner of this group, so it's by default added here. Now I'm going to add few more folks. Test user 1, test user 3, and test user 2. I'll add all these 3 folks in this particular group, and you can see they are added. So whenever I'll be sending email to this particular email ID, which is for this group, test group 3, all the folks listed here in the group will be receiving this email. It's fabulous. If you want to download the members list as an administrator, you can just click on this download button, and they will be downloaded in Google Sheets or CSV file format. If you want to go ahead just with available member email role and all this, or if you want to select all the tabs whichever are available in the file, so you can just select any of them and you can click on download button and the file will be downloaded. So friends, hope this was informative for you and you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Please write down in the comment box if you have any questions, suggestion, or new content request. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to help us and help others. See you again in the next video. Till the time, happy learning.